Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face Trending List, published on December 15, 2025, about 5 days ago. This paper introduces Seedance 1.5 Pro, a native joint audio and video generation model that keeps sound and visuals tightly synchronized, while also delivering over 10x faster inference. The paper is titled Seedance 1.5 Pro, a native audio-visual joint generation foundation model. Okay, and as we'll see later, the combination of training, alignment, and speedups has some pretty production-ready implications. Figure 1 gives a high-level snapshot of how Seedance 1.5 Pro stacks up across video and audio. The full figure contains two radar charts, which are spider plots where farther out means better scores, so you can compare many criteria at once. The left chart summarizes video capabilities like alignment, motion, and aesthetics for text-to-video and image-to-video. The right chart summarizes audio capabilities like synchronization, alignment, and expressiveness. Figure 2 explains why the system can look synchronized and still feel practical to run, because it separates how the model is trained from how it is used. The top lane shows training moving from joint pre-training to supervised fine-tuning to reinforcement learning from human feedback, which means humans guide the model toward preferred outputs. The bottom lane shows inference flowing from a user prompt through a text encoder into a diffusion transformer, then a refiner that cleans up the final audio and video. Figure 3 translates the evaluation setup into a simple takeaway. Seedance 1.5 Pro is competitive on text-to-video quality, but its biggest edge shows up in following instructions. The full figure contains 3 bars charts that report 5-point Likert ratings, which means humans scored overall satisfaction from 1 to 5. The left panel emphasizes motion quality, where Seedance 1.5 Pro trails the top baselines. The middle panel highlights prompt following, where Seedance 1.5 Pro leads. The right panel covers visual aesthetics, where the scores spread out more across models and Kling 2.5 peaks. Figure 5 shows that the audio side is where Seedance 1.5 Pro often pulls ahead, based on good same bad votes, which are head-to-head preferences between two systems. The full panel compares 3 baselines side by side, and green means Seedance 1.5 Pro wins more often. The top rows emphasize prompt following and overall quality, where results look mostly tied. The bottom row highlights expressiveness, where Sora 2 Pro is preferred more often. This figure shows that Seedance 1.5 Pro tends to be preferred for image-to-video audio, especially on expressiveness, while many other categories look more like ties. The green bars represent cases where Seedance 1.5 Pro wins in good same bad votes, which are head-to-head human comparisons. In the left panel against Kling 2.6, the expressiveness row shows a strong green lead. In the right panel against VO 3.1, Seedance 1.5 Pro stays competitive across prompt following, quality, and sync. Alright, 2 takeaways stand out. Seedance 1.5 Pro treats audio and video as one joint generation problem, which helps with tight sync like lip motion and sound effect timing, and it pairs that quality with serious practicality through more than 10 times faster inference. The bigger implication is that pro-grade, promptable audio-visual creation is starting to look deployable. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.